YouTubers. It's Amy. How are my little freaks? My little crazy people, my little minions, That's what it was. Lizzie's here, and then Gabby's here. She's laying down, so you just see her cool hair. And there's also
name.
I don't know. There's also kittens, little kittens. There's 5 of them. Wait, which one are you? I don't know which one you are. Where's my favorite? Where are you? Where are you? Oh, this is my favorite. This is Fufu. Say hello, Fufu. Kitty. I'm talking in a weird accent because I feel like it. Hello, I'm Fufu. Kitty, kitty. Isn't he good? Look at all that. Oh, look at his feet. Look at his little feet. Oh, little cutie. There's so many of them. They're so cute. They like fighting. No. Say hi, Elizabeth.
Hi.
My hair looks cute again, but that has nothing to do with anything. It's already been 1 minute and 14 seconds. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I don't know why I'm counting. Hey, get off the computer. Can get the computer. You're being attacked by Kitty. Kitty. Oh no, he's trying to kill me. And there's people yelling in the background. I don't know. It's Sunday, and I'm still at Gabby's house now. How's that, Liz? I spent that night at Liz's house, and I was here up until 3 o'clock in the morning, and then I woke up 6, and then woke her up. She got really mad at me, and then we both went back to sleep eventually. He was pretty legit, but yeah. Oh, I probably shouldn't itch behind my ear. Yeah, probably shouldn't itch.
Is she got a tattoo?
Shh. This goes on Facebook.
Oh.
You know, like those fake ones with the marker. We call it tattoos. We do it all the time. Mostly in 7th hour.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't know. I love you, my little minions. I love you. It's not working. I love you. Heart in different ways. Bye-bye.